So if you've been wondering how to open up instruments in Logic Pro, I'm going to show you. So when you open a new session up in Logic Pro, it'll give you some options of whether you want to open up a software instrument, audio channel, drum channel, external, and so on. So we're just going to choose software instrument, and you're going to see your instrument channel, which is here on the left. So as you can see, there's different sections for you to insert different plugins. You've got your MIDI effects section, you've got your instrument section, and you've got your audio effects section. So we're going to choose instrument, and then you can scroll through and choose one of Logic's stock plugins. So we're choosing Retro Synth, and it's just going to open up the Retro Synth. If you want to open up some of your third-party plugins, just click on the instrument section and then scroll down to your third-party plugins, which would be in the AU instrument section, and then just choose whichever plugin that it is you want to use. Another way you can open up the instrument channel is by double-clicking in the grey area, making sure that the channel above is an instrument channel, because then Logic's just going to duplicate what the above channel is. Again, just go to instrument section and choose your recent plugin, or you can just choose whatever plugin it is you want to use. I'm going to go for Sonic 88. We're in. So that's how you open up an instrument plugin in Logic Pro. If this video has helped you at all, hit the like button, hit the subscribe button for more content, and I'll see you in the next video.